Hey everyone, it's Skipper Mark, and we just got back from using our WaveRunners today, and we've started using this product called Salt Off. What it does is it basically helps get rid of salt and stuff like that if you go in the ocean. Today we actually went in freshwater, but we decided to just use it all the time because it'll help clean it better. So Matt's going to show us how to do that, and if you have any questions, please leave a message in the comments and I'll be happy to answer. Thanks for watching. The first thing you want to do is remove the seats to gain access to the engine bay. We purchased a salt off kit, which includes a hose insert and a container that you fill with the salt off concentrate. Once you have the kit, you can buy the salt off solution in various sizes. Your boat should have come with a plastic flush nozzle to screw onto the garden hose, but our dealer threw in the upgraded flush kit that has a flexible rubber hose on it. After filling the solution container and assembling the hoses, you attach the Yamaha flush kit to the flush port on the motor and then start the motor. This part is critical. You do not want to start the water until the engine is running, or you may damage the engine. The salt off hose insert has a valve to make turning on the water easy. Matt likes to start the flush with plain water by initially closing the big mixture knob and then opening it after a minute or so, which will start the cleaning process. The mixture will run through the engine and start to drain out the back. It's also a good idea to check the water indicator to make sure that water is coming out of that. Once the water in the cup runs clear, shut off the water on the hose insert and then shut off the engine. Again, you don't want any water running through the engine when it's off. You always shut the water off first. After both boats have been flushed, Matt usually does a couple quick revs of the engines on each one to flush out any excess water, but I didn't get a recording of that. The last step is to put the seats back on, and you should be done. So as you can see, cleaning your engine is pretty straightforward, and it's something that we suggest doing every time you use it, just to keep it in tip-top shape. So if you have any questions about this, please leave a message in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer. Thanks for watching and have a great day.